I'm back. I don't know what the hell happened. Probably trolls trolling or a-holes trolling or something like that. But I can't really do anything with the last live stream. It just disappeared. But I'll switch this to the screen and we'll see what's going on. But yeah, something weird, suspicious, crazy is going on. I don't know what. Something pretty messed up is going on. Hopefully, whatever that is gets resolved. Let's see. Maybe you'll get some more XRP. Glad you're back. Oh, hey there, Water Buffalo. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I think it's the trollers trolling or something like that. Like, I had to start a brand new live stream, and the other one, I'm not sure what's up with that one. If it's gonna be brought back or not, but it's kind of weird. It doesn't make any sense. But yeah, I guess some of them people be hating a little bit, kind of, sort of, halfway, a little bit. It's kind of funny. Let me see here. It doesn't make sense a little bit. Yeah, the stream froze. Yeah, I realized it just fully booted me out, and I tried to like go back in to restart it to recontinue it, and then it didn't let me. So I'm guessing it's still probably frozen right now. Yeah, it's weird. I don't know. It's just hella weird. Kind of doesn't make sense. But I'll probably add some more flipping of the XRP thingy. Yeah, I don't know why it keeps on doing that. Because sometimes I stream for like 12 hours straight and nothing happens. And sometimes a tiny bit and like weird stuff happens. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Hopefully that doesn't happen anymore. Oh man, so crazy. So flipping crazy. Maybe feed the penguin a tiny bit more. Since I'm here, I gotta add to my cryptos a little bit. Yeah, like I don't know if the other live stream is still there or what's going on with the other live stream. I'll try to check here. Let me try to figure it out here while I'm here. Syrup maybe. Oh yeah, I like the syrup. I always keep on adding to the syrup. That's a pretty decent one. I just kind of add some and then rinse and repeat with that one. I definitely like that. If I could find it here, I got so much crypto. Probably passed it a few times already. Where is the syrup thingy? Oh, there it is. I found it. I flippin' found it. Yeah, I don't have too much of that one, but I do like it. Like add maybe not much. I'll probably add $1 to it now, and then I might add some more accordingly. Wait, I wanna see if let me see. I'm trying to figure out the yeah, because when I look at the my account, it says that it's live, but it's not letting me do anything with it though. It's not letting me finish it. It's not letting me do anything with it. Like I don't get it. Like right now, I clicked on the video just to see what's going on. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it's not letting me do anything with it. Switching from one to another. Yeah, but the previous one is just a flippin' frozen mess, and I can't even stop it or anything. It's like glitched and like it's weird. It doesn't make sense because right now, like I went to check on it, it's still running, but I can't really even do anything with it. Kind of weird. I don't know. It doesn't make sense. I guess it is what it is. It's still running, but there's nothing I can do about it though. It still says that it's live on there. That's funny. But I guess whatever though, right? Kind of sort of halfway whatever. I guess I'll toss the paper and see if it wants me to get some more of the cyber syrup thingy, right? See if it wants me to get some more of the cyber syrup. Let's see what it says. I guess it doesn't want me to, but at least I add $1 to it right now, so that's better than nothing. But yeah, like I don't know what's wrong with the last live. I think something weird. And it's not even giving me the option to even cancel it or stop it. So I don't know. It's weird. Let me see. I'm gonna check out what Tesla is doing. Let's see. Don't buy that crap. That's funny. Hey there, Gucci the Bulldog. But yeah, I don't know what happened to the last live stream. It like booted me out of it, and then like I had to start a brand new live. And the other one, like I went to my channel to check it out, and like it doesn't even give me the option. It's like it's not there, and I can't stop it or cancel it or anything. It's kind of weird. Pretty messed up. Oh yeah, the Meta platform. Let's see that one. It kind of dipped today a little bit, 0.09%. Then after hours, 0.01%. So it's maybe for me a better buying opportunity, I guess. Let's see. I'll probably add a couple bucks to that one right now. And then on top of that thingy, I could flip in, throw the paper and see what the paper thinks, because sometimes the paper has some decent opinions, kind of sort of halfway sometimes. But let me see, should I DCA into Meta? Let's see what it says. Should I DCA into Meta? Let's see what it says. Okay, and it says yes, but kind of, my phone's plugged in. But the paper says yes, so I could add a little bit more to the Meta stock. A tiny bit more to the flippin' Meta stock. Hell yeah. I don't know why, but paper likes Meta. Paper flipping likes Meta like crazy hell. Alrighty. Maybe because of that, I might add like, see, buy like $5 more worth of that thingy. Come on. It's like stuck. Okay, let's see. Done with the Meta thingy. Let's see which other one I should get. What's happening with the stream, bro? It froze. Yeah, it froze. I think some more trolls are like messing with it, like either flagging it or some weird thing. Cause I wasn't able to like exit out of it. Like it booted me out, so I had to start a new one. I'm not sure what's up with the last one. It's kind of weird. So yeah, I started the new one right now. Tesla. Because sometimes I stream for like 12, 13, 14 hours straight and it doesn't do that. Sometimes like it does it like real quick. It doesn't make sense. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know if the other one is still on or not, but I had to start a new one to make it work. So Tesla's on a dip a little bit today too. So today it's, let's see, dip 0.25% today, after hours 0.01. So just a better buying opportunity. I'm just chillaxing before I hit the sheets. I come on here to just check out what the peeps are chatting about. Oh, that's cool. That's cool there. Gucci the Bulldog. Hell yeah. Flipping awesome. Glad you're back. I like chilling on this stream. Oh, thanks there, Lance Briefcase. I like chilling here with you guys too, for sure. It's way, way better with you guys trading. Okay, so Tesla's kind of down. So looks like a decent buying opportunity. I mean, there's a chance it might dip lower potentially. Nobody knows, but I kind of like it. I'll probably add a little bit to it right now. Obviously not too much, but some. And then I'll ask the paper, see if I should get a little bit more of it, you know. Because like I said, even if this does dip more, if it gets to like 300 or whatnot or lower, I'll probably just add some more to it. But obviously not financial advice or anything, just my opinion. Because I like Tesla stock for the long run. I'll throw the paper and see what it says if I should get some more. Okay, at the moment it said no. It landed right on the desk by my stuff, but at least I added some to it. You know, at least I added some to it. Oh, WLFI. Okay, hell yeah. Let's check out WLFI. WLFI. World Liberty Financial. So I got a little bit of that one. I think yesterday or whatnot, like you guys mentioned, and I got some. CS stream. Has anyone seen CS stream? What is CS? What is CS stream? I don't think I have. That it sounds kind of new to me. Like, I'm gonna take a screenshot of it just to be able to watch it when I get a chance. But like that sounds new to me. I don't think I've ever watched that. I do want to check it out like when I get a chance. Definitely want to get check it out when I get a chance. But like is the CS stream that's about trading, right? Uh, not trading, but she's very captivating. She shares at the just stares at the camera and smiles. Everyone on the chat just flatters her and calls her beautiful. Oh wow, I see. That's pretty interesting. Yeah, I'll probably check it out. That's kind of cool, kind of interesting. Saw Vero today as well, wondering if there's still more room to short that any further or look to get out Tuesday. I could look at it, but like, let me see. So World will be financial. So, yeah, this one went up today, 1.62% right now. Still kind of moving. Let's see, 1 week, it's up 1.23. 1 month, it's up 30%. 3 months, it's up 29%. Okay, so then like the 1 year is down 39, 5 years. Obviously, it's recently listed, looks like. Listed August 29th, 2025. But yeah, I've got a little bit in it. We'll see what it does. So far, it's in what I got, and it's down 4.71. I'm kind of just gonna see what it does at the moment. Get added to my first list. Let's see. Yeah, probably a little bit risky. We'll see what happens though. Let's see. UAMY, AMPX, ETH, ONMD, LAC. That's my gold basket. Oh, that's pretty cool. Seems like a pretty decent pick there, Gucci the Bulldog. That's awesome. Thanks for sharing. I'll probably check out the. I'll take a screenshot so I could look at those more closely. So like the Vero thingy right now. Let's check out the Vero. Oh, that's the one we just recently. I just recently looked at. So yeah, this was a potential good short. But obviously, market's closed. I can't short right now. But who knows? Like if it's gonna keep on dipping. That's the thing. It's nobody could really tell. At the moment, it still says that it's downtrending. Obviously, that big line over there, the trend line is down. What do you call it? The zigzag line is down. On the RSI, it's slightly overbought because it's slightly above the middle line. But who knows if that continues? But you could see it's like on the zigzag line downtrending. But what it's gonna do exactly Monday morning or whenever Tuesday, whenever the market's open. I don't know if there's a holiday on Monday or not, but I don't know what it's gonna do. If it's worth it to short or not, up to whoever is trading to decide for the most part. Yeah, best to close the short safer. I think so. Like, especially for overnight, I think it is safer. Like, it's for me personally. I think it's too risky to leave a short overnight, in my opinion. Not financial advice though. Let's see UAMY. Let's check out the UAMY. UAMY. United States antimony. So I do have a little bit of this one. I added some, and then I added a little bit more. So like $1.90. I might add a little bit more, like accordingly, probably. So this one doesn't have a dividend, but the chart. Let's see the general chart. The general chart looks like it's pretty bullish that it's going up, so that's good. I have a little bit in that one. Do you have a bulldog named Gucci? I love bullies. I have a Yorkie, but he's AMPX. Let's see, Empire. Let's see, Emprius Technologies. So that one's up 8.30% today. After hours, it's up 0.07. So like generally looks pretty decent. Obviously for the 3 months it's down. Year to date it's up. 1 year it's up 230%. So for the 1 year it's up quite a bit. But from looking at the chart, almost looks like some bullish momentum is picking up. You know how it kind of went up, went down, but then you see some green candles building up. So it looks like it has potential. So I don't have too much of that one. So it doesn't have dividends, but like the analyst ratings on this one's like 100% buy. So it looks pretty decent. Maybe just in case I'll like throw another dollar in that thing and see what it does. Then if it dips some more, maybe I'll get some more. But I'll just take a little bit at a time and see what could be done with that thingy. Why is that tomorrow? I might have to look up a definition. Let's see. So Empress Technology. Oh, this one right here, or the Empress Technologies, or I don't know. Let's see. Uh, which one was the next one on the list there? UOAMY, AMPX, ETH. I got ETH, ONMD, ON. Am I typing it right? ONMD, yeah. ONMD. So One Mednet Corp. So that's the one that could potentially, you're saying, do good. Like obviously nothing's a guarantee, but like might have some potential possibly. Maybe I'll add some to it. Maybe I'll add maybe a couple dollars to this one just in case. Okay, that's cool. And then depends on what it does. Maybe I could add some more later to that. See, the next one is AMPX, the ETH OMD, LAC. I kind of like the LAC for the long term too. That one's pretty decent. The Lithium Americas, hell yeah. So whatever I got in that one, it's up a little bit today. So right now it's up 1.53 for the day. Let's see, and it's kind of... So for the maximum, it's obviously down 40%. We're not listed on October 3, 2023. So it's not too bad. But generally, this is like, I like this one because it's like the Lithium Americas Corp engages in the development of the Thacker Pass project. It is focused on advancing Thacker Pass to production. It is located in northern Nevada. The company was founded on January 23rd, 2023, and is headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. The listed name for LAC is Lithium Americas Corp. So it looks pretty decent. Like obviously not financial advice, anything could happen, but I have a little bit of it in DCAing, dollar cost averaging, see what happens. Kind of sort of halfway see what will happen with it. Might be a good long-term hold. I'm so sorry, bro. I lost my Mastiff a couple years back, and now my Yorkie is sick. My mom recently passed and inherited Oliver. I'm bummed he's not well. I said hi. Oh, hey there, JSS672006. LAC looking nice. Yeah, I kind of like the LAC for the long term. Obviously not financial advice, but I like it for the long term. ONMD is on a downtrend, but again, I'm a long term hold. Oh, okay, long term hold makes sense. Makes sense. In my heart, she's still with me. She passed 2 years ago. Old English. I got a little clip of her in my YouTube file. Oh well, sorry about the loss there, Gucci the Bulldog. About like your dog looks like that died. What is antimony? I might have to look up definition. Yeah, I'm not sure what antimony definition wise is either. Let's see. A lot of people like LAC. Yeah, it looks like a lot of people do like the LAC thingy, but we'll see like what it does, like how it performs, how it does, what it does type deal. We'll see how it performs. Maybe I'll go. Can I check in tomorrow? Let's see. Mara Holdings, because Mara is kind of linked to the crypto, right? So today it's up 6.57%. After hours, it's up 0.79. So it looks like it's popping a little bit here. Past week, it's up 9.7%. 1 month, it's up 5.77. So recently, it's down. Obviously, 3 months down 50%. Year to date, it's up 22%. 1 year, it's down 36. 5 years is down 42. Maximum is down 69. Well, yeah, I think here recently started popping because a lot of people that were in it, they I think what do you call it, sold a lot of their stock last year to tax loss harvest, and right now a whole bunch of them decided to buy it back, which I think, in my opinion, made the pop a little bit. See, Mara Holdings, a digital asset technology company which engages in a mining cryptocurrency with a focus on the Bitcoin ecosystem. It also deals with owning and operating Bitcoin mining facilities or data centers, selling proprietary software or technology to third parties operating in the Bitcoin ecosystem, offering advisory and consulting services to support Bitcoin mining ventures in domestic and international jurisdictions, and generating electricity from renewable energy resources or methane gas capture to power Bitcoin mining projects. The company was founded on February 23, 2010, and is headquartered in Hollandale Beach, Florida. The listed name for Mara is Mara Holdings Inc. common stock. So yeah, it's linked with the crypto stuff, but that's my guess is that like people sold out of it like last year, like maybe sometime in throughout the year, but closer to the end of the year, and right now they're buying it back, probably for tax loss harvesting, and then right now they're like time to buy for some of them. Usually bounces at this level. Oh, I see, I see. Antimony is not what I thought at all. Are they trying to use it as a silver substitute? Oh, the antimony thingy? I'm not sure. Maybe. Like, do I have to actually? So, United States antimony. Let's see whatever it says here on this. The United States Antimony Corp engages in the extraction, processing, and sale of antimony, zeolite, silver, and gold products. So it does the three: zeolite, silver, and gold products. It operates through the following segments: United States antimony operations, Mexican antimony operations, precious metals recovery, and United States zeolite operations. The company was founded by John C. Lawrence in June 1968 and is headquartered in Thompson Falls, MT. The listed name for UAMY is United States Antimony Corporation. So yeah, like mainly looks like it mines the zeolite, silver, and gold products. So if it does that, like looks like it could have some potential, you know. Because look at that, looking at the chart, like on the max, like obviously you had a bounce. Right here it bounced again. But we'll see if it'll continue the up run here, like the general picture. So normally it's like way cheaper. Like you could see it's in the cents. And then right here it ran up to like 1971 at the highest point right here. It used to be for something, and then back to like cents, you know. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I don't have much of it. I got very little, but we'll see what it does. Still kind of risky a little bit. Seems kind of high, but seeing that like the most of the time it's just pretty low. I think robotics is the next EV and AI hype. I think so too. Kind of like right now, like it's a like one of the new things that are it's in high demand, especially if they're lacking labor force and all that stuff, and robotics could help with that, you know. But definitely once like they start making a whole bunch of more of them, it'll be a big thing in my opinion. I like RR. I could check it out. Let's see. To an extent, but it's a hardening agent used in military defense outlets and also everything that has to do with fire. Oh, okay, I see. Let's see, check the RR thingy out. So we can check robotics. I think I have, yeah, I do have some of it here with the position that I have, which is very little, but it's down 4.66%. So today it's up 2.37. After hours up 0.26. 1 week it's up 2.77%. 1 month it's up 7%. 3 months is down 37. Year to date it's up 17. 1 year it's up 40%. 5 years it's down, but obviously it's very new here. So listed on November 14, 2023. So for that time it's down 22%, 22.20%. But like does look like it has momentum. If you look at the pattern here, so it looks like it's going up higher. See like the big bounce here. So then another big bounce here, a higher bounce. Maybe later it might have another higher bounce, you know. So it looks like it has potential. Obviously nothing's financial advice or anything, but I have a little bit of it. We'll see what it does, and maybe I might add some more later. But looks kind of decent for a potential. Nothing's a guarantee, you know. RR is a good look. Yeah, yeah, it looks pretty decent. Like, looks like it's worth the risk potentially. You know, is Adobe okay or will it keep going down? Oh, Adobe, it's a pretty decent stock, but investing into it long term, I think, in my opinion, that's kind of risky. Like, it's one of them like apps or softwares, whatever that a lot of people use, but like right now the AI is taking over. So if you like, if it won't, like in my opinion, if it won't integrate AI into its stuff a lot, might not do that well. But like because of AI, it looks like it might not do too well. Like as a company, as what it does, it's pretty decent, pretty good. Like a lot of people use it. But like if a lot of people are switching to AI and AI is doing most of the work for them, so that kind of makes it like more kind of dings this one up a little bit because of that, in my opinion. So for the long term, in my opinion, it's more risky. Not saying that it's not worth it to invest in at all. Me personally, I'd rather not. Like I don't have any in this one, and me personally, I'd rather stay away from it. I mean, anything could happen. There's a chance it might go up, but me personally, not financial advice. I'd rather not invest into this one. So 41 analyst ratings on this one. So 56% say buy, 34% say hold, and 10% say sell on this one. So even the ratings not the greatest, but like I said, the company is good. Like it's very nice what it does, the software, the editing, the everything. But if it doesn't have like a whole bunch of AI stuff that helps out, like with a lot of it, it might not do that good potentially. I don't know, not financial advice. Just got to be able to stomach the big dips. Oh yeah, for sure. AI is killing Adobe. Oh yeah, Adobe okay, will keep on going down. It's hard to say exactly if it's gonna keep on going down or not, but it's almost what it seems like though. I'm down 200 with a long call on Visa. Oh, like, oh, that sucks. There, Honda broke. That's not good. Do you have a lot of time on your Visa call there, Honda broke? Shorts are trying to target tech firms that don't have much AI exposure or upside. Oh yes, that's for sure. They're taking advantage of that right now, shorting like as much as possible with that. Uh, what prop firm were you using, and how is it your experience so far? Oh, so the prop firm that I'm using is the Take Profit Trader. That's the one that Lance Briefcase over here. He's the one that kind of recommended that to me. Like right here. So the one I'm using is the Take right here, Take Profit Trader, and then like I use it. It's linked with the Tradeovate, you know. So so far it's working pretty good. I like it. I mean, I did a whole bunch of research. Like if you follow the rules pretty good and make consistent profits, you could do pretty good. Some people just make a living off of one account, off of Take Profit Trader. You know, if they're consistent, doing pretty good, following the rules. Some people make one account last pretty long and keep on using it. You know, but some people make multiple accounts and keep on using it. You know. So right now, obviously, like I'm not trading on it right now because it's what do you call it? It's closed right now because futures trading closes at like 2 o'clock. It closed today at 2 o'clock in the evening, my time. But yeah, let me see. Uh, Well, yeah, like I don't have it on right now because I can't trade on that because it's closed for the futures market. Can we see your 1 year progress on the chart? Okay, if it not open. 1 year. So year to date, it's this because it's obviously the new year, but like 1 year, it's not much because a lot of the positions I'm in right now, they're kind of down, like the options and stuff like that. But like once at least it breaks even on some of the positions I got, it'll be pretty much up. So year to date, it's okay, but still not doing too good. But in general, it's not doing too bad at the same time, you know. I'm just kind of waiting a whole bunch of my call option, the leaps. Right now, most of these are kind of underwater. Once they even break even a little bit or even slightly profit, like the whole portfolio will bounce a lot, you know. So it kind of depends. Like the way the market goes, that's how the portfolio balances, you know. But maybe I'll feed the penguin a little bit more just in case or something. Shorts always attack IPOs. Oh, for sure. Does it require an interview? Oh, the trading the prop firm? No, the prop firm doesn't require a interview. No, it doesn't. You just sign up and start trading, pretty much. Tell me the rules. I'm sign up. The rules. From the top of my head, I can't tell all the rules. So pretty much depends on what kind of account you get. Uh, you can't the 50K account, the one I have, is uh you can't go below like 2000. If you go below 2000, you have to reset that account or pay another $100 to reset it, and then to collect profits, you got to reach the $3,000 threshold, like profit on it. And then on top of that, you got to make another $2,000 buffer where you on top of that you could collect the profits on it, you know. So that's the basic rules. And then you can't be in a trade right when the market closes. You got to be out because if you're in a trade, it'll what do you call it? Liquidate your accounts. You'll have to start all over again. So the rules are pretty basic for the most part. Like if you go on the trade of the Take Profit Trader, it has all the rules. That's compared to all other prop firms. It looks like it's the easiest, the simplest one to follow and to trade with. You know. Me, I haven't taken out money yet because I'm still kind of new to it. Like I literally started like less than a week ago. So like I gotta build up. You still gotta build up the $3,000 profit. You know that's like the test. On top of that, build up the $2,000 buffer zone. Once you do that, you could start taking profits. Like me, I'm new to it. Like I haven't still like got to the point where I'm taking profits. But I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube that people actually do and it works, and like legitimate ones. You could do your own research. So I'm trying to see how it works. Well, for mine, the Take Profit Trader, like with the coupon code, It's like $102. Normally it's like 170. I found a coupon code on one of the sites, and like for me it was like $102. You get like the 50K account like with that. So that's the one I got right now. The 50K account. Could you just buy leaps with the prop? Leaps with a prop? Not really. The prop is different. The prop is like yeah, let me show. I'm gonna get into this thingy here. Okay, so I got into the prop thingy here. But me on mine, it kind of messed up. Like I like yesterday from over trading. Like I was in a profit and everything, but I did hit the part where like I was in a contract when the market closed, so I had to reset my account once. But so I was doing good. But literally, if you follow the rules, so that's the take profit trader. So right now, my balance, like I reset my account today, so right now it's at 50,034. So for example, here you got to build it up. You got to build this up right here to 53,000 to pass the eval test. Once you get it to 53,000, then you gotta build up another buffer zone of $2,000, and on top of that $2,000, you could start taking profits. So once you start taking profits, you keep the 80% of the profits you make on top of that, and the prop firm takes 20% on that. So like that's kind of like the rules. And the good thing about the take profit trader right now is that like compared to other platforms, you could cash out like daily, every day. You make 5K, 10K in one day, you could cash it all out. Like you take 80%, they take 20%, you know. And then like once you do well, you could go for the like live or whatever other account, like where you could even make more profit, where you get 90% and they get 10%, you know. So I mean, I'm still pretty new to it. I'm trying to pass the test and see how it works, and I'm doing it live right now. The market's closed, obviously, so I can't do much with it right now. But I'll see how it goes. Like a lot of it, I'm trading live here. You guys see, like I'm trading live on the Robinhood, then I switch it back and forth, trading on that thingy. So, but in my opinion, I don't know. I think it's legitimate. We'll see if it is once I pass it and once I try to get the payout. Uh, just I'm just checking it out myself. Oh, the broker. This one is Robinhood. See, it says Robinhood Crypto, but that one over there, that's the take profit trader. The one over there, it's like this one, the take profit trader, and it's linked with the Tradeovate. You know, that's the Tradeovate is the software that you trade on. You link it together. Like you need an affiliate code to get viewers a discount. You know all about TPT, so you are perfect for it. Yeah, yes, I'm planning to do that. But for now, like you could share your information and you could get the credits. Lance, just share your information. You could get the whatever like what do you call it, discount code you have. You could share and they could use it. You could put the information. The people get information off of you, and then when I get the link, I could share the link in my description later. Yes, you do. Oh, you have no code? Oh, I see. Yeah, I have no code at the moment either, but like um eventually I'll have to make a code. But the thing is the prop firm itself, a lot of times it offers a code. I don't have one on me right now at the moment. Oh, if somebody else's code works, like as long as they get the as long as they get the discount, that's fine. That works. But like you have to link it together. Yes. Once you download the Take Profit Trader, once you download it, there's instructions. Like there's like it guides you through the process. It actually has its own videos where like it plays a video. You could click on their videos. It shows how to link it together and stuff like that. So it's actually not that hard. At first, like I thought it would be pretty hard when I started to do that, but then it's actually not that hard. I mean, I could show on here, but then the passwords and everything would be visible, like what I'm doing. But it's pretty simple. It's pretty much take profit trader with Tradeovate. That's all there is. This software is on Tradeovate. It's a free software that if you buy the plan with Take Profit Trader, the Tradeovate software is free to pass the test and to trade and to do all that on there. You know. No, I have no. I would be telling someone else's code like Pine. I don't use PW because he's too rich. He doesn't deserve the extra money. I like smaller streamers who are able to trade consistently. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, it definitely makes sense. But yeah, I still haven't done my affiliate stuff with them yet. Like I might work on that maybe tonight. Maybe try to do something like that. But yeah, it's pretty decent. Let's see, I'll probably add a little bit more to the penguin thingy. Like, in my opinion, I'm still kind of new to it, but I think it's legitimate. You know, like especially seeing other YouTubers and people that trade and collect money. Let's see, is it worth it to add some more to the Pudgy Cyber Penguins? Let's see what it says. I threw the wrong paper. Flipping A. Where's my long? Oh, there it is. Should I feed the Pudgy Cyber Penguins? Let's see what the paper says. I threw the wrong paper where I wrote down the name of the take profit trade. So the paper says no. So I guess they're overfed or well fed for now. The Pudgy Cyber Penguins. But yeah, eventually I'll try to get the link to the prop firm where I could add it to my description maybe and the code at the same time. Whatever works with that thingy. Okay, let's see. Let's see which other one. Something that's kind of down, maybe add a little bit to it. Let's see the hyper liquid. Probably add a tiny bit to that one. Oh, the OP thingy, I could check that out. Let's see. OP optimism. Oh, that's the crypto thingy, nice. So I do have a little bit of it, like the bare minimum, but it looks pretty decent. It's an Ethereum layer 2. Oh, okay, so this one's an Ethereum layer 2. Okay, makes sense. That's pretty cool. Hell yeah. See how it goes. Does anyone have TMQ? I'm not sure. I could check it out. I'm not sure if I have it or not. I'll have to check it out. But I'll add a little bit more to this one. And I'll check out the TMQ thingy. Oops. TMQ. Okay, Trilogy Metals. I think I might have it. I got it on my watch list. I got like $5.69 worth of that. So it's down my position. Like obviously it's a small position, but I'm down 5.15%, which in my case, 30 cents because I have a small position. But like let's see, look at the chart. Past week it's up 4%. 1 month it's up 21. 3 months it's down 37. Year to date it's up 22. 1 year it's up 375. 5 years it's up 175, and maximum it's up 37. So kind of generally looks pretty decent. Like generally it moves up. So for the long term looks pretty decent. Let's see. They got the GOV contract. Oh, nice. Especially if they got the contract, the government contract. That should be even a better plus to them. So short term, like sometimes people sell the news or whatever. Maybe that's why it's slightly dipping short term or whatnot. But long term, it looks pretty decent. So the Trilogy Metals Inc. engages in the development and exploration of mineral properties. The firm holds interest in the upper cobalt mineral projects that include the Arctic, a copper, zinc, lead, gold, silver, and bornite carbonate hosted copper project which is located in the Ambler Mining District in northwest Alaska. The company was founded on April 27, 2011 and is headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. The listed name for TMQ is Trilogy Metals Inc. So it looks kind of decent. I mean, the analyst ratings on this one, so 33% buy, 67% hold. So nobody's saying to sell it, so it still looks pretty decent. Looks pretty good. So there's no dividend, but sometimes dividend doesn't matter as long as it generally goes up. Yeah, if the general trend is towards the upside, like has potential. Let's see. Look at the KLAR. Let's see. KLAR. Let's see. Okay, Klarna Group. Okay, let's see. So I don't have it, looks like. So Klarna Group today it's up 1%. After hours it's up 0.91%. 1 week it's down 5%. 1 month is down 6%. 5 months is down 23%. Year to date it's up 1.19%. 1 year it's down 26. So it's newly listed, looks like, listed on September 10th, 2025. So yeah, for the general chart, looks like it's kind of down, but in the beginning here, looks like at some points it did kind of quite okay. So the analyst ratings on this one is 74% buy, 26% hold, and 0% sell. Let's read about it. Klarna Group PLC is a global digital bank and flexible payments provider. It operates through an AI-powered payments and commerce network that empowers people to pay smarter with a mission to be available everywhere for everything. The company was founded by Gustav, Eric, Nicholas, whatever name is. So yeah, it looks pretty decent. Like I don't know, like I can't say if it's gonna do well, go up or down or whatnot, but might be worth the risk. I don't know, maybe not. I could add it to the list here. Maybe just for the heck of it, like I don't know what it's gonna do here in the short term or in the long term. This one, like them different new companies, it's hard to tell. I mean, right now it looks like it's downtrending on the zigzag line. That MACD looks like it's downtrending, but on the RSI looks like it's oversold. So maybe potentially it might go up. That's on the 1 week 4 hour chart. So on the 1 day 1 hour chart looks a little bit better because the zigzag still trending down. RSI is in between, neither overbought or oversold in this chart. And then the MACD is slightly pointing up. So kind of indecisive and slightly bearish looks like at the moment. But I don't know. Uh, so yeah, the analyst ratings are not that bad. 74% buy, 26% hold, 0% sell. But yeah, I'd rather personally invest into something else. Not saying that this is not going to do good. It does have potential. Anything could happen. You can see the green candle building up over there, but I don't know if that's going to last. It's an IPO. Oh, I see, like a firm. Big graph, man. I like AITX. It has no chart. I feel it's the beginnings. I have 400,000 shares. Oh, for real, the AITX, that's crazy. For 400,000 shares, that's a lot. I always wait for IPOs to get beat down. DF, a good company. I used it personally. It's like a firm. Oh, I see. Maybe just in case I could get $1 into this one and then see what it does. You know, $1 probably, even if it goes to zero, whatever. But if it goes up, just to kind of test out some things, I think sometimes it might be worth it to see potentials in some companies. Let's see, AITX. Let's check that one out. AITX. Oops, AITX. This one looks like it doesn't have it. So it has the AIT, has the TAC, but not the AITX for some reason. Yeah, I worry about the rollbacks. Oh, for sure. Just quit, man. Ain't worth it. Let's see, were you up on the day overall or down? Oh, if I'm up on the day, yes, I'm up on the day. What do you think about AMD? Thanks for trying today. Let's see. For me, up on the day, yeah, just a little bit, just on the daily chart. Yeah, not much. Do part time and save money. Worth it today. Let's see. Thanks for trying. What What do you think about AMD? Let's see. Were you up on the day overall? Yeah, I worry about rollbacks. But yeah, AMD, let's check it out. Like I like AMD for the long term. Like I don't think I'm in it right now. Not that I know of. Let's see. I'll take a picture, screenshot of this thing just in case. But yeah, I like the AMD thingy for the long term. But me personally, I try to get it like at a dip. Like for me, like this price right here, I think it's kind of too high for me personally to get into that one. I used to have it. I used to trade it. I don't have it at the moment though. I don't know why I don't have it in my top stocks to trade. But I used to trade it. I like it for the long term. But for me to get in, I'll probably wait for a dip, at least somewhere quite a bit lower. Not financial advice or anything, but obviously the main point of the game, you buy low and sell high. You know, so me, I try to get in as low as possible, especially if it potentially dips to like below the 200s. That like I'll probably load up a little bit on like in that case. But it's a good company. I like it long term. It's like competitor with Nvidia. Nvidia is obviously bigger, but I like this one. I like AMD too, but I'd probably try to get at a dip. Me personally, not financial advice. Like, hey there, Oleg. What is your percentage overall dividend from stocks to cryptos? Like 60% stocks to 40% crypto. Oh, well, percent stocks to crypto. I could check it out. And has that scary gap below. Yeah, yeah, for sure. Let's see. I'm heating water for some green tea. Oh yeah, hell yeah! Cheers to the green tea, there, Water Buffalo. Some healthy drinks. Hell yeah! If it breaks the 200, watch the gap fill below it. Oh yeah. Let's see where the 200. Just on this general chart here. Oh yeah. If it breaks below 200, that's the area where. See, like it doesn't have. So yeah, if it goes below 200, it could go all the way down to into the like 160, 165, 162 to that area, you know, like a big support here. So yeah, if it does break below 200, there's a potential that it could just fall to that area over there somewhere. But yeah, for me personally, I used to trade it and everything, but like I think it's a good company, you know, good stock to buy, but me personally, I'd try to get it at a lower price as much as possible. Because in general, for the long term, obviously not financial advice, but I think eventually it'll go up like quite a bit, like crazy. You know, I think it'll, in my opinion, not financial advice. I think it might reach the $267 again and go higher, but that might take a while. But knowing that it might potentially reach the price, I'd rather get it at a lowest point possible. You know, that's what I'm saying. Like if you're in it for the super long term, might be worth it even to get it right now. But like for me personally, I'd rather try to get it at a better discount, you know. And like if there's another recession, market crash, correction, or some weird thing like that, which always happens, it's part of the stock market. Like it goes down sometimes. That's where I try to load up on it if I want to be in it long term. But I am bullish on it long term though. Miss it. I'm here, and so what? Oh. I'm here, and so what? Alter ego. What do you mean there, Ford Mullah? And so what? Alter ego? Uh, what do you mean by that there, Ford Mullah? Oops. Do you ever get into the meme stocks like AMC? If I get into them, sometimes I do, but like most of the time I like short term trade it if I do. And so, oh, oh myself. Okay, I see, I see. But yeah, sometimes I get into the like weird meme stocks. Not too often though. I like it lower too. I won't buy here. I agree with you. I rather is it then. Yeah, exactly. Like it's not. I don't really like chasing that much. If it breaks the 200, watch the gap fill. Well, like I said, in my opinion, it's a good company. I like it. I think it's gonna go farther up in a long-term future, but I'd rather try to get it at a better discount, better deal. Let's see here. Which other one should I check here? Oh yeah, I should check out the TSLL. I checked out the Tesla. I also like the Tesla for the long term, but sometimes I get the Tesla leverage one too. So I like that. I like that one too. AMC theaters. AMC theaters, I don't know, like it's like on a crazy downtrend from what it looks like. I could check it out here in a little bit. But that one seems to be in a big downtrend. Let's see. Who knows? Maybe something could change with it in the future. Depends on what route they take to make, you know, their thing, their theaters or whatever, movies, shows, whatever they, do with that. Maybe they got to change something, in their company to make it more profitable. But looks like the AMC just kind of generally trending down. Okay, so TSLL, let's see. I'll probably add a little bit to this one. Not much, but something probably better than nothing. I like Tesla for the long term. This is the Tesla leverage, the Tesla 2X. So, like, sometimes once in a while I play those, and I'll ask the paper, see if I should get some more of that one. Let's see, should I get some more of that TSLL? Let's see what the paper says. Let's see what the paper thinks. The paper says yes, that I could get a little bit more. So, I'll probably get a little bit more of the TSLL. Get a little bit more of the TSLL. Okay, maybe get like a couple bucks more of the DCA. Let's see. Is that AMC symbol? AMC, no, I gotta put it in here. Buy game over AMC level. Game over. That's funny. At least game has billions. I know, right? It does. Any holds? Any holds of what I have? Well, I'm long term in the Meta, in the trying to get a discount at the Tesla thingy. Let's see. Let's check out AMC. There's a whole bunch of pretty decent long term holds right now. Excuse me. Right now, like there might be like eventually like a market crash, recession, or something crazy going on. So I might try to. What I'm trying to do is sell out of some stuff and get more into like the gold and silver and the valuable metals and stuff like that, especially on the dips. Because and then on top of that, I have some cash for when there is like a market correction or a crash or whatnot, to have cash to be able to buy like the better companies and ride them back up. That's kind of like what my plan. So right now, I kind of freed up some cash to be able to buy a dip on the market crash whenever that happens. But yeah, that's the AMC thingy. So today it's up 0.32. After hours, it's down 0.32. So pretty much break even. Past week, it's pretty much break even. Looks like. So 1 month is down 17%. 3 months is down 43%. Year to date, it's up 5.41. 1 year, it's down 54.42%. So if you invested into this stock 1 year ago, you would have lost more than half your money. For example, like if you would have invested like even $1,000 into it last year, you would have right now had like less than $500 left. Percentage wise, how much it fell in 1 year. 5 years down 88%, maximum down 98% 0.69. So yeah, it's just kind of generally going down. It's like for me personally, it's hard to invest into something like this that just keeps on going down like crazy and almost like no sign of recovery. So they're doing something wrong if it's like, they can't make the value of the company to go up. No dividends on top of that. Sometimes it makes sense when the company's kind of slightly trending down and there's a dividend, but this one, at least from what it shows here, doesn't even have a dividend. So like for me, seems kind of pointless. Robin and holds Charlie 1 2 3. Hey there, Charlie 1 2 3. How you do it? How do I do what there, Charlie 1 2 3? Oh, you're asking this one what this is. This is Robin Hood. Netflix content and all the new online stuff. Never go to TV. Yes, yes, that's true too. With the Netflix and all the other competitions. Thoughts on Netflix? Let's see. Netflix. I like Netflix for the long term. Obviously, not financial advice. But I like it long term. And on the dips, I'm trying to buy some more of it on the dips. So like right now, I don't have much of it. Like only $109 worth of it. But like I am very bullish on it. I think it'll recover back to where it came from. Right now, it's just having little issues here and there and stuff like that. But like me, generally, I'm bullish on it. So I'm actually wanting to buy like on the dips, get a lot more of it. So I'm bullish on it for the long term. Just me personally. It doesn't have a dividend. I don't care about that one. I just kind of believe in the growth of it. So this one, so percent wise, like analyst rating, 67% say buy, 27% say hold, 6% say sell. So analyst rating's not that bad. So yeah, I kind of like it for the long term. So I'll probably buy like Q in like maybe like $20 for now, and then see what it does. If it dips some more, I'll just keep on adding on the dip, and then just ride the momentum back up once it goes up. That's kind of like my plan around that one. So I like it for long term. Like obviously not financial advice. That's just my opinion, my own risk, my own money that I'm short term, not short term, but dollar cost averaging into this one. Uh, Yeah, keeps struggling to break 91. Yes, at the moment it is, like it really is, but I think in my opinion eventually it will. Who knows how long it'll take, but I think it might. Disney, Paramount, and name five others. Oh, the other ones, yeah, I see. I could check them out. Netflix definitely taking over with the Warner Warner Bros. Buyout. Oh yeah, I think especially if they bought him out, I think it'll do better right now. Less competition and weird stuff. Oh, the 6 7 thingy. Thanks there, Andrew Roy. Think that was pretty cool. The 6 7. Thank you for the gift there, Andrew Roy. Uh, a deal not done, only a matter of time though. Yeah, I think once the deal is fully done, it could help it boost up a little bit. Like I read their rules, and it's extremely strict and super situational to bait people into losing their balance. Yes, it is. That's right. I read their rules too. But like if you follow it like pretty good, like they will pay out. Like I mean, like I haven't got the payout yet. Like I'm trying it out myself, but for me it's worth the risk. The thing is, like, if you want to cancel it, you could cancel. Like, it's pretty easy to cancel it. Like, out of a lot of prop firms that I read about and checked out, studied, like this one seems like pretty one of the most simple. They all have rules. That's one of the ways they do make money. All the prop firms, like because in general, most people don't succeed in trading, especially like the prop firms. It's pretty like you gotta consistently make good like decent profits, or not decent, but obviously make profits. But yeah, I'm just trying it out. We'll see what happens. I mean, most of the time I'm trading live, and we'll see if it works out, if I get the payout or not, if I pass the eval or whatnot. We'll see what happens. I wish that deal would finalize. Paramount offer sucks. You have to do trading 5 times in a row, and you have to do bad by avoiding winning big, or they instantly make you lose your balance for not beating the exact amount the next day. Yeah, yes, they're what do you call it, the Detroit, but that's just for the to pass the test. Once you pass the test, they don't have that balance where you have to make 1,500. 1,500 is max. It's for the day, and you could set the limits Like it has like a feature, a setting where you could set the limit. I actually set it on mine to where it doesn't exceed the 1500, but that's only for the eval. Once you pass the eval and build that buffer zone, the $2,000 on top of that, everything on top of that, that's like compared to any other prop firm, you could take profits. You make 10K in a day, you could cash out that 10K, just 80-20%. But like if you follow the rules pretty good, like it looks like they keep with the rules. Like it depends if you could beat and follow the rules. Like I think it will. They will do what they say. If you look at a lot of YouTubers that trade, they're happy with it. As long as you could follow the rules and do as it says. For the most part, the rules don't seem that strict to me. How much can you place on one trade? Oh, on the take profit trader. Oh, you could place a lot. You could do multiple contracts. I think if you do like the right now I can't do it right because it's closed, but like you could do like I think six what do you call it? Like depends on which one. If it's like the micros, I think micros you could do 60 contracts, and the minis you could do like six. That's kind of what they have. But you could do unlimited trades, like literally, like when I was trading, I was doing you could do like over 100 trades a day. There's no limit on how much trades you could do. One of the rules is you can't have an open position, open contract when market's gonna close, which is at my time here closes at 2 o'clock. So you got to make sure you're out of the position before the market closes, and when the market opens, then you could enter. But during the break, the 1 hour break, you can't be in any plays, in any positions. But for me, it seems pretty straightforward. Like I did pretty good, except for yeah, I did kind of fail, like I said once, because like by accident I was over trading, and then like I was tired, I was asleep, and then my one of my open positions hit the close, and I had to reset the account, which like it's my fault. I didn't follow that. I could have easily avoided that because I've been in the game for a while, and I had to reset it because of that. But if you follow it pretty good, it seems to be, you know, they seem to be doing what they're saying. So as long as you keep to that boundaries, I think you would be able to do pretty good. Like no delay, yes. Is the market a live one? I'm confused. Well, over here, it's the when you do the eval, it's a demo. The demo is linked to the take profit trader to where they're analyzing your trades, your everything. They're keeping track of everything, and then like once you get approved, you pass it. Then eventually, once you get to the pro, it's still like a demo, but they pay you on your progress. Like once you pass the eval, and right now you get the pro account, when you trade, it's still like a demo, but whatever progress, the profits, whatever you make, you do, that's all you get to keep. The profits obviously split 80%, 80 to 20. You take 20, you take 80, and they take 20. But then after that, if you make, from what I heard, if you make like $10,000 like in a day, you could profit. You could switch to like Pro Plus, which is like a live account to where like you're trading with their funds, but like it's actually a real account, like a real fund. Like, and then in that case, you would be taking 90% profit, and they'll be taking 10% profit. That's from what I heard, like from the top of my head, from what I remember. So like I did lots of research. Looks legitimate for the most part. But I don't know. I'm still new to it myself. I'm kind of trying it out. So like I said, I'm kind of like the hamster. Like I'm experimenting on myself and doing it live because a lot of the trades I'm doing here, it's live. But right now, obviously the market's closed, and I can't trade on that until Sunday evening. Sunday evening, the market opens back at like 3 o'clock. I'll probably be live a little bit after 3 because I got church like sometime later in the evening, and be doing probably some of the Robinhood thingy and also the take profit trader. But I'm pretty sure if you follow the rules and everything and get through, they will do what they say. Like it's one of them proven ones that most people like. How much profit do you have to win a day minimum for the eval? It sounds like they want to basically have you do six cons. one day and increase by a few more each day. You can use 50K in the eval, right? Yeah, you could play with the whole amount like 50K, but the thing is you can't lose. For example, on this account, like over here, see where it says 50,000. If it gets, because this is the eval, if it gets like below, if it gets below 48,000, you lose the test. You lose the test. So you have to reset it. So and then to pass the eval, you gotta make $3,000. But like you could take like five, like 1 week or 5 days minimal is to pass. So like if you make 1,500 in one day, 1,500 another day, the other days you could just flip a little like micro contract or whatever, just to kind of show them that you're trading. But like minimal is 5 days to pass. But you could take as long as you want. You could do as many trades as you want. But like the contracts, what they talk about is like six contracts at once, not like in a day, but like six contracts at once. That's what they're talking about. For example, over here, see, I could do the contracts. So these are the micros. See right here, I could change this one contract. What they mean by six is like you could put six contracts of the minis right here. So see where I put six. So six at once you could do of the mini contracts. And then if you're doing micro, kind of like I trade the micro gold, you could do 60. So if I'm doing the micro gold trades, I could do 60 contracts at once, and that'll be actually playing with 60 contracts at once. So you could do unlimited trades, whatever amount of trades you want to do, you could do. Like sometimes I did like over 100, over 200 trades in a day, like scalping it. So you could trade however you want. Just meet the threshold, meet the $3,000 in the at least 1 month trial period or whatever. But trades you could do unlimited. But like the six contracts or the 60 contracts, it's what's the most amount at one time that you could run. Type deal on a deal. So that's kind of like about that thing. I mean, like it wants you to not win too big one day, just win a little more each time, so it stays consistent. Yeah, yes. With this 50K, that's 1,500 is the most you could do, but that's just on the eval though. Once you pass the eval, once you're in the pro, you could literally there's no consistency once you pass the eval. That's the good thing about the take profit trader. Once you pass that eval, once you're actually making money, real money, you could make $10,000, $20,000 in a day. You could cash it out the same day. That's the thing. Good thing about the take profit. If you pass it, go through the rules and stuff like that, and pass. Good thing about take profit trader compared to the other ones, they pay out daily. You make 10K in a day, you could cash it out. You take 80%, they take 20. You make 50K, you take 80%, they take 20%. In one day you could cash it out literally. That's the good thing about other prop firms. They only allow you to cash out like maybe once a week or once bi-weekly or sometimes once a month. There's a whole bunch of different like what do you call it, prop firms. This one's the best one considered. It's the closest. This one's the closest to a real live account because once you pass a test, you could cash out anytime you want. That's the good thing about this one. That's why I decided to try this one out because of like I did a research a whole bunch of them, and this one seems like the most legit, like the most worth it one type deal. CQG data feed or rhythmic data feed do I pick? Usually like when I did it, it's like I picked the CQG because that's the one that's kind of was linkable to the take profit trader. So I did the CQG on that one because I think that with the CQG that's linkable to the trade of eight thingy. That's what I did. I did a take profit trader. Then you just follow the rules. They tell you like they have a section where it says which option to pick. I picked a CQG because there it says like to link it with the trade of eight, with the Ninja Trader, and some other one. But like the trade of eight's the one I picked, and it's a CQG. So that's the one I picked. And then like once you're setting it up, you could go like once you're setting it up, like it'll show a place where you could copy the password, and that you actually copy and paste it in the Tradeovate, and then you could launch it, and all your information will be right there. Like It's all it's pretty simple. At first I thought it'd be kind of hard, but it's actually not as hard as I thought it was once I did it. It's at first it seems kind of weird, but like once you do it, it's actually not that bad. The hard part is figuring it out. Once you figure it out, it's pretty decent, pretty simple. Yeah, yes, that's the one that I did. I did the CQG, and the CQG is the one that made it workable with this. I would be able to show you on this, but like if I go like and show that, like you'd kind of mess it all up. But that's the one I chose, the CQG. For mines, I chose the CQG. But like I did some research, like the take profit trader is one of the best to where like some people are able to, like once they pass even one eval account, some people are able to make a full-time living just off of one prop firm account. Like how they're consistent and everything. And just the thing is, you make a lot of money in one day, you could cash it out in one day. You make another buttload of money in one day, you could cash it out in a day. Even the 80-20 profit split, for me, it's worth it because you're pretty much trading with almost free money on top of you passing the prop from with $102 or whatnot. But for me, it's worth it personally. Like, even if I have to try to pass the eval multiple times to get to the cash account, then just stay consistently after that. Like for me personally, I think it's worth it. It's still kind of way cheaper than actually playing with real money in the futures, because over there, like you could lose way more faster, and like just way riskier. Kind of like I traded futures on the Robinhood. It was like very risky because you guys saw I was trading line is like going up and down like crazy, and that's like your real money on the line, like a whole bunch of it. Good evening. I'm an affiliate with Take Profit Trader. If anyone has any questions, I can answer. I also have a 40% off, no action fee code, no activation. Oh, nice. Thank you there, Pine Tree Trader. I'm trying to help out the Detroit Throwers with that one. He had some questions, so I'm already in it. Like I'm using it. I like it. It's pretty cool. But like the Detroit Throwers here is trying to set one up. Looks like. But obviously, I can't trade on this right now because the market is closed. But I'm just kind of showing what could be done here, like the trades and the contracts, the amount of contracts. But yeah, obviously right now I'm not trading because the futures market is closed for that. But yeah, like me at the moment, I don't have any affiliate links or anything like that. Like I'm kind of new to it myself, but we'll see how it goes. We'll see how SoFi is doing. But I kind of definitely like it. So SoFi is down some more today, down 1.17 after hours, down 0.11. Kind of interesting. We'll see how far down it might potentially go here. Let's see how Lyft is doing. Yeah, I got a few thousands on payouts this week with them, but lost my account today. Oh, that sucks there that you lost it there, Pine Trader. But did you at least cash out there, Pine Tree Trader? Were you able to at least cash out some of the profits? But it kind of sucks when you lose your account. I actually lost mine. I had to reset mines because I was too tired and sleepy trading and all that stuff. And uh, I got to closing the contract too late, and it got into the 2 o'clock time to where I had to reset mine. But like I reset it, and I'm playing in it right now. Like I'm up a little bit, but we'll see what it does or how I'll do. But yeah, I just started like almost a week ago, I think, something like that. Yeah, I take daily payouts on the regular with them. I made some videos on it if you want to check it out later. Oh, nice, nice. That's awesome. Yeah, I'll probably check it out. Like I'll take a screenshot so I can check it out For sure, sounds pretty interesting to actually see the real like videos where it's like where it actually works. You know, that's pretty cool. I also trade with Trade Day. Also, is Trade Day a different prop firm? They're a Pine Tree Trader. Oh, so they do daily payouts as well. Oh, okay, I see, I see. I'll take a picture, a screenshot of that just in case if I want to use that. So is the paid day, is that one with the Trade of A tour or is that with something else? Yeah, different. Oh, okay, I see. Do you trade futures? Oh, hey there, Kim Jong Internet. Yes, I do. I do trade futures, but unfortunately, right now the futures are closed. But it looks like some people are trying to get the prop firm thing you figured out. Oh, so they do have Trade of Eight too. Okay, which one do you think is better there, Pine Tree Trader? The take profit trader or the trade day? The trade day might probably have more consistency rules and stuff like that. I'm guessing. Let's see here. So lift. So today it's down 2.94. After hours it's up 0.62. Let's see, and I do have, or do I, or I don't I? Yeah, I do have a lift call, which is kind of down at the moment. But I just gotta have some patience with this one, and we'll see what it does. Yeah, free debate. Okay, let's see here. Hmm. Let's see which other. I want to check, see how Walmart's doing here. Walmart's still kind of doing pretty good, trending up a little bit. Trending up. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's see. I like take profit a little better. Trade day has more consistency with the test, but no consistency when funded, just like TPT. Oh, okay, I see. I see. That's pretty cool. Thank you so much for the information there, Pine Tree Trader. Because I know a lot of people are kind of new to it. Some people want to try it out. Like me, I'm new to it. This is like my first week trying the take profit trader, just props in general. But I'll thanks for the info. That's pretty helpful. No, hopefully I could pass the test and see how it does. Sounds pretty decent. Sounds pretty decent. Let's see. Maybe check out BITC. I checked my phone. I got a text here. Let's see. Alrighty. Let's see. Check Bitcoin out. So Bitcoin's kind of holding up a little bit. 95,000 still, not too bad. Let's see. Oops, go back to Bitcoin. Maybe I'll probably add another couple bucks in that thing just in case for now. Kind of sort of halfway just in case. Okay. Let's see. But I'll be logging off for right now. My wife made some food, so I'll probably be back tomorrow at some point and do another live stream. Have a good night, everybody. Thanks for chilling here with me. See y'all later. Bye bye.